Alright, welcome to Geek. I'm Joshua the Bat, and I'm gonna unbox this zombie black and white Batman statue I got for Christmas. It is freaking awesome, and let's take a look. He is freaking cool. It looks so good. Decrepit. I love the face. Looks like he's ready to eat someone. Maybe another superhero. Cape comes down and over the stand. I love that. He's stepping off. He looks freaking great. He did such a good job. I love these black and white statues. They're so well done. This is number 2,500 out of 5,200 pieces. He's sweet. Yeah, he's gonna look good up on my collection. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and have a week.